Even if your home is a total mess, sometimes all it takes is 5 minutes to feel like you've got it all together again. Dressing to shoes will absolutely help you to feel like you've got your home together again, because it goes from feeling like you're having a lazy day to a ready day. This includes light hair makeup. If you wear it, it can make a drastic difference and you're going to see massive results. Wiping the kitchen sink can have a huge impact. Even if nothing else is done, a shiny sink lets us know that we're absolutely capable. The same thing with the counters. If you can take even 2 to 5 minutes a day to start clearing out your counters, before you know it, they will be all set, and that also will make a big difference. Something as simple as fluffing the couch pillows will help us to feel that we have it together, even if our home is a mess, because it will give us a nice cozy spot to sit. Another thing to do to have us feeling put together is lighting a candle or diffusing some oils. It automatically signals calm to our brain, even during the chaos. Starting a load of laundry can also be a huge game changer. It feels like progress even if we haven't started folding yet. Also, making your bed. That is one thing that takes less than 5 minutes that we can do to absolutely feel like we have it together. Even if we do nothing else, making our bed makes such a huge difference, not only in how we feel that we achieved something, but also in the appearance of our whole entire bedroom. These tiny wins help to build momentum, and a body in motion stays in motion. If you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.